In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix emojis not showing on your iPhone keyboard. You can simply get back the emojis to your keyboard in just few simple steps. So guys, as you can see, I don't have the emojis on my keyboard. To get them back, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of General. Select the keyboard option right here. Tap on the first option of keyboards. Tap right here on Add New Keyboard. In the search bar, type in emoji. Then the emojis will successfully get saved back to your keyboard. As you can see, emojis are back to my keyboard. That's how easy it is to get back your emojis on your iPhone keyboard. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.